In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view account transactions for any contact quickly and easily inside Xero. This is incredibly useful when you want to review a customer's payment history, check supplier activity, or simply track all transactions linked to a specific contact in one place. Instead of digging through invoices or bank feeds one by one, you can generate a clear report in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, we're going to access the reporting section where all financial reports are stored. At the top menu, click on Reports. This is where you'll find a full list of available financial and accounting reports that Xero provides. Once you're inside the Reports section, look for the report called Account Transactions. Depending on your layout, you may see it listed under Financial Reports, or you can use the search bar to quickly find it. Click on Account Transactions to open the report. Now that the report is open, you'll see a range of filtering options at the top of the screen. These filters allow you to customize exactly what data you want to see. To narrow this report down to a specific contact, click on More Filter. This expands additional filtering options that aren't shown by default. Inside the expanded filter settings, locate the field labeled Contact. Click into that field and start typing the name of the contact whose transactions you want to view. Xero will automatically suggest matching contacts from your contact list. Select the correct contact from the dropdown. After selecting the contact, you can also adjust other filters if needed. For example, you might want to change the date range to review transactions for a specific month, quarter, or financial year. You can also refine by account, tracking category, or other available options depending on how detailed you want your report to be. But if your main goal is simply to see all transactions connected to that one contact, setting the contact filter is the key step. Once you've configured your filters, click the Update button. As soon as you click Update, Xero will refresh the report and display only the transactions associated with the contact you selected. Now you'll be able to see a full list of account transactions linked to that contact. This may include invoices, bills, payments, credit notes, and any other entries recorded in your system that are tied to them. You can scroll through the report to review individual transaction details, including dates, reference numbers, account codes, and amounts. If you need to investigate a specific transaction further, you can click directly into it from the report to open the full transaction record. This makes it very easy to move between summary-level reporting and detailed transaction views without losing context. Another helpful tip is that you can export this report if needed. If you want to share the information with your accountant, a client, or another team member, simply use the export option available within the report to download it as a PDF or Excel file. And that's it. That's how you view account transactions for any contact in Xero using the Account Transactions report and the Contact filter. It's a simple but powerful way to monitor activity, resolve discrepancies, and stay on top of your financial data. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Xero tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.